मिट्टी डाल दी नहीं, बजाय मिट्टी डाल रही है। कहीं नहीं, उसको समझता है सब।
ये बहुत होशियार है।
हाँ,
बहुत होशियार है।
We have to wash all the toys of Hope today. Not just the toys, but also everything that she uses, even the cloth and her leash as well. We took her to the vet today, and she has some skin problem, and a treatment is going on. But the vet told us to wash off everything that she has touched or she uses on a regular basis. So yes, if you guys watched the puppy rescue vlog, we had rescued 5 puppies when a man dumped them in a sack somewhere. There were 5 puppies in total. I adopted one, and she's Hope. Most of you guys know her. One more got adopted within a week, I think, and one was picked up by a stranger, and hopefully he's also doing fine somewhere. So there were 2 puppies remaining. One was the brown one who had fractured his paw, and one was the white one. I think she was Hope's best friend because they used to play together all the time when I had rescued them at that time. And recently a very sad incident happened. The brown one was playing around with the white one over there, and the thing is, where they were staying, the campus, the ground, right next to it is the main road, and there is no gate to stop them from going outside. So they were playing, and nobody witnessed it. The brown one, I think he was on the road playing around. They are just puppies, and he met with an accident. He died on that day itself. A few hours later, we weren't there. Nobody was there to actually witness it and see what exactly happened. But the residents said that he was surely gonna die, so they did not take any action for that. But I cannot be sure. I'm just taking their word for it. So yes, he passed away recently. I have a video as well, a clip of people burying the brown dog. So recently what I thought was, on the next day itself, that let's take Hope to the white puppy so the white puppy feels better and they have a nice time, and that's what we did, just for her to get over it. So yes, this is just a small clip showing how Hope and the white puppy met and they were playing around. And also an important message to you guys: if you really want to add a family member, you want to get a puppy, you want to get a dog, adopt, because if you keep buying from breeders, it's just a business. You're not helping anyone technically if you go to see. But if you're adopting adopting a stray, you're probably saving a life and making it 10 times better for them. So it's a very big deed. It's a very kind and genuine act. That's all I'm gonna say for this video. So yeah, you can just enjoy the clips that I'm gonna show you now. Who have we come to meet, Hope? They're meeting her sister today. Hello.
Nice sight today, ये भी।
अरे वाह,
यहाँ पे दे दो मैं दही, से दही।
We have the area's alpha with us right now. ये उधर ही रहता था ना, जो इनकी मॉम इसको भोंकी थी एक बार। फ्रेंडली है ना, familiarize किसी ये हो गया, उनको फ्रेंडली हो गए। So they've buried the brown puppy over here. It's a really sad incident, and he's buried over there, and that is why I got Hope over here, so that the white one feels better, and they are enjoying. They have been playing for so long now. Hannah. Okay, time to go. Say bye, Hope.
Bye.
Say bye to each other.